How would you like unlimited royalty-free video footage you can use in your Explaindio projects? On this page you can get upgrade which unlocks access to Explaindio free video footage module, which gives you an ability to search and download millions of videos with Creative Commons CC BY license. Creators of all these videos gave explicit permission to use their video footage commercially. Use videos in your projects without paying anything for them. If you were about to buy a video footage, each video could cost you $25, as that's the going market for HD stock footage with unlimited use license. Imagine how much you would have to pay for all the videos you would use in all your projects over the years to come. With the free video footage module, Explaindio goes out to the internet, finds all videos matching your keyword phrase, and then makes those videos available for download right inside the software. You can use all those videos in your projects without paying anything for them. Truly an amazing deal. So the only question left is, how do you get your hands on this amazing, powerful, unlimited video footage getting module? Well, good news, as you are a brand new member of Explaindio, I have a very special new member pricing for you. We could easily charge $297 for this module as it gets you unlimited video footage for free. But today, I have a very special one-time new member pricing that you're going to love. Our official 14-day money-back guarantee. We also want to eliminate any stress or hesitation you may feel by taking the risk for you. You will get an entire 14 days to give this software a try. If you give our software and system a try and you decide it's not for you, we'll happily give you all your money back. There is 100% no risk. We also want to eliminate any stress or hesitation you may feel by taking the risk for you. You will get an entire 14 days to give this software a try. If you give our software and system a try and you decide it's not for you, we'll happily give you all your money back.